Alright guys, so this week we're going to be talking about multi-step equations. Now when we solve these, we just need to remember a couple things. DC SADMAP. So we want to distribute first, combine like terms, and then we do the order of operations in reverse. So this is your inverse order of operations. So I decided I'd just do a couple random problems from the assignment that I've given you guys for the week, so we can kind of just look at how this works. So, I don't know, let's look at 3. So again, we're going to first look to see if there's any distributing to do. I don't see any distributing. I need to see if there's any combining of like terms. Okay, so since these are both x's, I can combine them. This gives me 1x minus 5x, which is negative 4x. This is still a plus 3. And now we use our SADMAP, our inverse order of operations. So basically we're undoing the operation. Well, this is addition, so its opposite would be subtraction. So that's the first thing I'm looking for. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. 3 minus 3 is 0. Negative 4x. And then 3 minus 3 is 0, but this time I don't need to write it. We're multiplying here. The inverse is dividing. 0 divided by anything is 0. And so we get the x is 0. Okay. And I know this is some review of Algebra 1, but we thought it would be a good idea, me and the other geometry teachers, to have you guys just kind of look through this stuff again. Alright, how about number 8? Alright, so I have some distributing. Remember, we're going to distribute to both. Negative 3 times 4r is negative 12r. Negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24. And then we look, is there any combining? There is not, so we're going to use SADMAP, our inverse order of operations. Opposite of adding is subtracting, so I look for any subtracting. I've got it right here. 24 minus 24 is 0, it cancels out, so I just have negative 12r here. Negative 36 minus 24 is negative 60. We're multiplying here, so its inverse is dividing. And we get that r is 5. Nothing too crazy here. Just remember DC SADMAP. Now, some of these can get pretty complicated. So, how about number 15? This one looks like a fun one. Remember, we just need DC SADMAP. So we're looking to distribute first. Here we go, and remember distributing is to both things. That's negative 4p, negative 8, negative 6p, positive 6. There is no distributing on this side, so I'm not going to change anything. Now we look to combine like terms. So let's see. These are like terms. 10 minus 1 is 9. And these are like terms. 9 minus 11 is 2. Alright, do we have any like terms over here? Negative 4p, negative 6p. That's negative 10p. Alright, negative 8 plus 6. That's going to give us negative 2. Now we're just looking to combine across. So let's see, what can we combine? Well, I could add 10p to both sides, because that'll make this cancel. And then I could add 2 to both sides. That'll make this cancel. So we get 9 plus 10, which is 19. 19 equals negative 2 plus 2, 0. Divide by 19, and P is 0. All right, how about just one more? Let's go with number 20. Again, DC SADMAP. Distribute. And we're distributing to everything. So that's 10p plus 100 negative 10p minus 55. All right, combine what we can. That's 89 plus 10p. And this is going to be negative 51 minus 10p. Move your p's together. Move your constants together. Cancels. Cancels. 20p equals negative 140. Divide by 20. And p equals negative 7. All right. Well, that's really all I wanted to talk to you about. One other thing to keep in mind. Don't forget that if we get rid of all the variables, so just for example, let's say I had 3p plus 5 equals 3p minus 7. I brought the p's together and they canceled out. Does 5 equal negative 7? No. So this would give you a no solution. So if they're not equal, it's a no solution. But if we cancel them out and they are equal, this gives us infinitely many. All right. Well, that's really all I have for you this week. Solving two-step equations, a review of Algebra 1. As always, if you have questions, reach out to me. Let's talk. Miss you guys. Hope you're staying safe. And I can't wait till we're back to regular school. I'll see you when that happens.